Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing Ipsy versus Ipsy, where Aaron and I pit our Ipsy bags against each other for the month of April 2022. And yeah, so we each get Ipsy bags and we see who has the best Ipsy bag. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my channel, and on my channel I love doing subscription boxes, and I also love makeup, any kind of makeup, whether it be neutral or colorful, whether it be drugstore, indie makeup, or high-end makeup. I just love everything makeup related. And what?
Makeup.
And this is my husband, Aaron. He helps me with subscription boxes sometimes. And I also am agoraphobic, so I do talk about that sometimes, along with other mental health issues. If you are interested in any of that, or say you are interested in all of that,
Or like 75% of that.
I would love it if you would hit subscribe and tap that notification bell and set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a video, or whenever YouTube decides to let you know that I've uploaded a video. You know how
YouTube in its wisdom.
Yeah, you know how it goes. So, if you are interested in watching our Ipsy versus Ipsy, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, I just want to say thank you to those of you who have clicked on this video and decided to spend some time with us. We greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much. Now, you may have seen that Aaron got the bag for the month. It is a very cute daisy bag with a cute daisy zipper pull. And I got a reject bag, but
I like yours better.
I am not going to complain to Ipsy about it because it's one of these cute numbers that does this. And
Fancy.
I think I like this bag.
You got the extra fancy bag.
I think I like this bag better. So, instead of complaining to Ipsy and them giving me the points to get the daisy bag, because I think that's what you do, I am just going to keep this bag instead of getting an extra bag. So, yeah, this could be like a going out bag.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I really like this. So, if there is a tie, I think this would put me over the edge. Okay, this is how we play the game. We take our items one by one and put them up against each other. Makeup always beats skincare. Skincare always beats hair care. And then we have wild card items, which we just kind of,
Whatever.
like there's perfume and nail care, things like that, that we just kind of decide for ourselves.
Right.
And then
It's a very complex system of rules that took us months to fully work out.
okay, so first we take, in this bag, you get 5 deluxe size items. It's like $13. And, excuse me, and sometimes you get full size items. You get to pick one item that you want. So we first start off with the picked item.
Okay.
Now, I don't remember picking this item. I thought I picked something else, but I couldn't remember what I picked. But I don't think I would have picked the Bobbi Brown mascara. But because I have so many mascaras, maybe I picked this because I didn't like all the other choices. I don't remember. But I really don't remember picking this. But
Of course, you don't know why you got that bag either, so
yeah, I don't
it's a
remember.
month of mystery for you at Ipsy.
I don't know. But I will try it out, definitely. So what did you pick, Aaron?
I picked this, which is the Lucky Chick LC lipstick semi-matte, I believe it said, in the color Paradise.
Okay. When there's a lipstick, he always picks the lipstick
That's right.
choice. And I don't know.
Let's try it out, and then you can base it on that.
No, I'm not. I'm not opening up my mascara.
No, I'm gonna try this one.
Okay.
It's kind of a neutral color anyway.
If you've tried out this Bobbi Brown mascara, it is the Smoky Eye Mascara. Let me know down below if it's any good.
It's kind of a little lighter. What do you think?
I like that color personally.
I can see it.
You want to call it like a tie?
Sure, let's call that one a tie.
Okay. So, let's go to the product that we got the same. We both got this
Goat milk.
Diana's goat milk skincare. This is a goat milk body
White
lotion.
jasmine and shea will soothe and repair dry
Hydrates
skin.
and moisturizes. We didn't get, it didn't tell us in our little, this month it is keep growing, but it didn't tell us anything about our products.
Is this the bunny? Is this the cruelty-free bunny here? Is that what that is?
Well, it says it's cruelty-free and paraben-free.
Yeah, I'm sure what the little bunny means.
It's usually a leaping bunny.
That's what that is.
Okay. It smells really good. I'll definitely put this on my nightstand.
That's not bad at all.
It's not greasy feeling.
Yeah.
Oh, I just love the way that smells. And it rubs right into your hands.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a win. Okay. Let's take makeup products. Okay. I got the Kaleido Cosmetics Obsidian Waterproof Eyeliner. Blah, blah, blah. I just got a liquid eyeliner. This is probably going to go into a giveaway or something. I will take it out. Well, maybe. Okay, yeah. Just to show you what it looks like. What did you get?
I got a Farrah Duo Eyeshadow Bloom and Wildflower Pressed Pigment Duo.
This is all wrapped up, so I'm not going to open it.
Not bad. I like those two colors. It's so cute. It's so tiny.
Okay. I definitely think you win that one, so you get a point.
Hooray.
Do you have any more makeup items?
Nope.
Okay. I have a perfume, a Catherine Maladrino Dream perfume. They've been giving me a lot of perfumes lately. Okay, good. It comes in a sprayer.
Well, they were giving you perfumes, but they were saying me deodorants, remember?
What do you have?
I have Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I think we've seen this before. More than once, I think. Ultimate glow plus brightening. Do not leave product in direct light. Even after it's on your skin? Ooh, that's nice. You definitely win that one. That smells good.
It definitely has kind of does it smell fruity to you?
Maybe a tiny bit. Is it supposed to?
I don't know. Does it say on the back the notes? I'm not that good at picking out notes.
Do not spray into the eyes or towards a naked flame. It's good to know. Warning, flammable. Advertisement, inflammable. Advertenza inflammabile, Achtung, brennbar, and so on. Not for resale. Designed in USA.
I don't like the top notes, but because it smells a little alcoholic. But as it sits on my skin,
yeah, I think it turns out smelling pretty good.
Yeah. I'll definitely have to let it sit on my skin for a minute. Okay. So
So you get that one.
So that's one for you and one for me?
Right, so then we're tied. We're tied neck and neck going into the final product.
This is a good product. It's just you don't get very much in it.
It's true.
Okay. I have got the Honey Jarrett Rose Clay Purifying Mask. And this is a big thing, but it's only filled to about there, which is pretty good.
Yeah. I got the Benton Deep Green Tea Toner. Ooh.
So a toner and a mask.
Given that I don't think I've ever really used toner in my whole life. Probably that's going to get more use.
You never use your skincare items.
Yeah.
You need a skincare routine, man.
Then I'd have to take time to do it and stuff.
Okay. So let me see this. I don't use toner either.
I think you win then.
Okay. So, yay, I won this time.
Hooray.
What do you think? Who do you think won? Let's go over what we got. I got the Honey Jarrett Rose Clay Purifying Mask. I got the Catherine Maladrino Dream perfume. I got the Obsidian by Kaleido Cosmetics, the Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeshadow. I got the Dionys Goat Milk Body Lotion in White Jasmine and Shea. And I got the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. What did you get, Em?
I got the Goat Milk Body Lotion, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Drops, the Green Tea Toner, the Farrah Eyeshadow Duo. It's so tiny. And this lipstick. Because apparently I'm a lucky chick.
Okay, and don't forget, I got this really
That's
cool
right,
bag.
and you got the fancy bag. See, that's the other reason why you won.
So leave a comment down below and tell
I got the bag with the pretty flowers.
us who you think won. Okay, now about the Ipsy and Boxy merge.
The drama.
The information y'all have given me and what I've been able to find out is that they are still going to be doing the Ipsy Glam Bags, but they are merging the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the BoxyCharm and Base Box together, and that it is going to be $28. It's just going to be a box. You're not going to be getting
The Boxy bag plus charm box?
It's going to be like Ipsy at BoxyCharm or BoxyCharm at Ipsy or something like that. It's just going to be a box. They're not going to have the big bags anymore. And now,
Socks bagsy?
what y'all have been telling me is that you get to choose. The value is going up in the box.
But the quality is going down.
And I believe that you get to choose 3 items in the box.
3.
Okay, now if none of this comes out to be true,
Blame her.
blame me. I don't think they're going to be having the premium and the luxe boxes anymore, but they're still going to be doing the Ipsy X. Now, again,
Ipsy Y.
this
Ipsy
is just,
Z.
again, this is just what I have heard from y'all and from
Your sources.
my sources that I
For
have.
people. For agents.
So, yeah, from what I understand, this is what Ipsy has been planning all along. I think this is going to go into effect pretty soon. I don't know. I wonder what they're going to be doing with people who have paid up their like Boxy charms and their premiums and stuff for a year. I don't know. Maybe they'll prorate them back their money. I don't know. But maybe they will keep the premiums. But I don't see them keeping the Lux boxes. But, yeah. And,
It's a tumultuous time for all of us. Stay strong.
let me know if you're getting the Xbox. The Xbox. Sounds like,
Boxy Box 360.
because I never got a choice to choose it. Like, they usually say, if you want to get Ipsy X, press here. Like on their app. I never got that choice. So,
Never got to choose your choice.
I never got to choose my choice. So, I don't know if I'm automatically getting an X or not, or maybe I'm just not getting an X box this
Or maybe they'll
time.
just send you whatever they have too much of.
I guess I'll find out at the beginning of next month. But anyway, yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment down below if you don't mind.
You know what happened is they were running the packaging and inserts and stuff, and somebody at BoxyCharm accidentally printed a bunch that said Ipsy on the box, and then somebody at Ipsy actually accidentally printed some ones that said BoxyCharm on it, and so they're like, it's too expensive to reprint all those. Let's just merge the companies.
Yeah. Okay, we hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you're not, we hope something comes along and kickstarts your day.
Or gives your day a gentle nudge.
Yeah.
Whatever you need.
So that you can have a wonderful rest of your weekend or week whenever you are watching this, day or
fortnight.
night, wherever you are in the
Or
world.
lunar cycle.
And if you are having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes.
It's the vibe noise. Like birds.
Okay. And know that
We hope that you, yeah.
you're throwing me off, Aaron. Just remember to,
Stay strong.
okay, I'm sorry, something popped up on my screen. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and
Stay hydrated.
Stay safe, stay hydrated.
Stay out of direct sunlight, especially if you have that watermelon niacinamide. Yeah.
Okay. And I will see you tomorrow for another video and just
I will see you at some point.
okay. I will see you tomorrow and just stay well until then. Okay.
There's another one.
Things keeps popping up on my
It
screen.
hit me in the head after duck.
All right. Goodbye.